New vaccine mandates to cases surging coast to coast. We're getting more insight into this morning's biggest COVID headlines. We are joined by Dr. Peter Chin Hong from UCSF. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me on.
First of all, what's your reaction to Governor Newsom requiring healthcare and state workers to get the vaccine or do mandatory testing? Do you think we'll actually see city and county leaders follow suit with these local mandates?
Yes, I think we're seeing a sea change here because desperate measures are needed for desperate times. And I think we're at a crossroads right now. I think we've seen more than a quadrupling of cases in the Bay Area and some localities. Hospitalizations are starting to trickle up. Fortunately, deaths have remained flat. But I think because of the mayhem caused by this virus, even though the course in a vaccinated person is very, very different from someone who's not vaccinated, these measures are going to be seen over and over again. We've seen New York, we've seen the VA, we're seeing the state of California.
So right now across the country, we're also seeing cases rise as the Delta variant takes hold. The former CDC director says the U.S. could see 200,000 cases a day within the next 6 weeks. So we haven't seen numbers like that since January.
Yeah, and what do our cases look like right now here in the Bay Area? And what do we need to do to get this surge under control?
Well, there's only one simple reason. It's simple word, but very, very hard to do, which is vaccinate. As someone keeps on telling me, one of my colleagues, it's vaccinate, not lockdown. It's vaccinate in a way to maintain the economy. I don't think we're in a business of shutting down again, hopefully, because our hospitalizations are relatively still manageable, but that can change. And I think we need to really help understand that problem and address it more, head on.
Yeah, hopefully we don't get to that point. Finally, let's talk about masking up. Yesterday, San Mateo County became the first Bay Area county to reinstate the indoor mask mandate in county buildings. So
as cases begin to tick up again, do you think more counties will begin to reinstate their mask mandates?
Yes, they will. And the reason is that as cases continue to go up, and again, this is leading and bleeding into hospitalizations, which is the most feared outcome, you'll see people institute mask mandates just like with the vaccine requirements in the workplace for state workers, the honor system is not necessarily working. So I think because of that, everyone has to mask up because you can't really tell who's vaccinated and who's not.
Yeah, that's a very good point. All right, Dr. Peter Chin Hong with UCSF, thank you so much for joining us.
My pleasure. Thank you.